Feels like living in a 5-star hotel with your own brand new pool and a brand new hot tub. Welcome to our new listing in Cole Harbour. This beautiful 3-bedroom apartment has been fully renovated with so much attention to details. And a fantastic floor plan. You got your master bedroom plus your home office on this side of the apartment. Then you got 2 extra bedrooms and a bathroom and a washroom tucked away on the other side of the apartment. This is a really unique floor plan for a 3-bedroom apartment. This is Sal 2C and I would love to show you this apartment, so why did you call me?